basically who have been there for donkey's years. Some people who doesn't, they say some people who doesn't even have companies, and they are still the members. So we are reconstituting the full board, basically. Like how government basically advertising into that, but we need to be we need to have the full details actually of the vacancies which all the other companies are in, because otherwise all the companies have been registering themselves in the labor department. But we don't have a data that how many workers are working in each company. So in that, I believe we have I have instructed our commissioner basically to write a letter to all these companies that henceforth all the workforce or whatever the vacancies which are there, they should advertise it the same way how government is advertising their jobs. So everyone basically has got a right to apply, and then they may consider it on merit. That is a different issue. But at least we should know that their jobs are available. Goans should know that Baba, in this company these vacancies are there. So as per their eligibility, let them apply. So then there are many that it has been brought to my notice that certain big companies are there. Suppose they have got around 400-500 workforce, but only say maybe 20 or 30 people are fixed. Rest on contract basis. See, contract basis also has got to have a expiry period. You just cannot have a contract their lifetime. They also should be having say a permanent fixed job or a permanent this thing for their life. Ultimately their livelihood is concerned, because then after this companies basically tend to just dismiss them of giving on some flimsy ground. So I told basically the labor department that this is the labor department that act what is in the benefit of the laborers. That is very, very important. We are basically pro labor. This government is pro labor. We are here basically that no injustice should be done as far as labor is concerned. There are around 17 schemes, because there are a lot of funds. There are around 17 schemes, so we need to basically, we are here to basically, we will be having a card system. That every worker basically is enrolled, so that we can get a proper data of all the laborers. And there are so many schemes that for the welfare of the laborers. So we need to basically reach these schemes for their benefit, or for their family's benefit.
What about daily wages? Do you still feel the Wadpak?
No, daily wages now, see, we have not revised the rates of daily wages for the past, say, 6 years. I think daily wages were around 307 rupees or something. And now we have taken the daily wages of other states also. While Delhi and Kerala, I think, looks to be on the higher side. Then plus we have seen what is the central government's basically daily wages. I think we are not even in par with that. I think on the basis.
So you are looking to.
So no, definitely the daily wages of this thing will be increased. The new this thing will be there in place.
So the card system. The card system, it's for all the laborers.
Suppose tomorrow if you want to take a benefit, tomorrow if you want to get any benefit as far as for any schemes, you need to have a card. So at least we have it got to be registered in our labor department. So in our labor department, so then we have a data of who are the workers, how many workers are working in which companies they are working, what is the designation, what is the pay in this.
So
what is their pay scheme?
Even contact workers.
Everyone's we will be having a data.
So last
that
time
we have basically given them the thing to make all these cards on this thing. They will be in touch with the labor department, and from the labor department they'll get all the information.
But basic presently data kitna haan tum goda kitla asthala bata magita revive bata.
No, if you go to see, our labor department doesn't have the data how many people are working in which company. That is very important that we need to know. So then only if anyone files any cases against the company and all the things. So when we don't have a data on what are we discussing about. So we will see that the labor department is more of a labor friendly, because ultimately what it is called a labor department. It should not be management friendly. I look at it in difference. So ultimately government and all is there here for the labor class.
So government will keep watch on this industry, because right now people are saying that Goans should get 80% Goan people should get the jobs. So is it possible?
See, there are so many people who come from outside, who have settled for long, they are themselves become Goans. So I am not looking at it as Goans as such. I am just saying we need to everyone know. Everyone, the youth should know that where the vacancies are. So as per their qualification, that they can apply. Now basically there are many companies, they just take underhand only. That the youth basically are not even aware that this job is available. So these basically vacancies, these companies, like how government is advertising their vacancies in different departments. Same way, I believe these companies should advertise their vacancies. But these are the vacancies. Then you all can take on merit. That we have got nothing to do. At least that we, or the youth basically should not be deprived of the information.
Okay.
So that they can apply anywhere.